radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. Preceding signal was a test of public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Reston, Florida. This was also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday, 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threat. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Your coastal waters forecast for the WW. South winds around 5 knots. Seas 2 feet. Bay and inland waters smooth. Friday, south winds around 10 knots. Seas 2 feet. Bay and inland waters a light chop. Friday night, south winds around 10 knots. Seas 2 feet. Bay and inland waters a light chop. Saturday, south winds around 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Bay and inland waters a moderate chop. Saturday night, south winds around 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet with occasional seas to 5 feet. Bay and inland waters a moderate chop. Sunday, southwest winds around 15 knots, then becoming northwest late in the afternoon. Seas 3 to 4 feet with occasional seas to 5 feet. Bay and inland waters a moderate chop. A chance of showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms. Your coastal waters forecast for the WWG 59 listening area for the following marine locations. Coastal waters from Englewood to Dartmouth springs out 20 to 6 miles. At 10:16 a.m.
Here we go. Oh, I forgot to turn this. I forgot to turn that thing back on.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Reston, Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This close to weekly tests. We now return to regular programming.
Well,
Your coastal waters forecast for the WW.
let's take a look at this for this test. So the 400 got it. Obviously, I had it on voice today
Knots increasing to around 50 knots after midnight.
because this is the last test of 2021.
Saturday,
The HH went off on WXK83.
seas 2 to 3 feet. Saturday night, south winds around
Yeah,
15 knots.
300 got it.
Seas.
Obviously, this didn't go off. And I forgot to turn this one on. I actually factory reset it, and I forgot to turn on the weekly test part. I completely forgot about that. Anyway, let's move on. Anyway, this went off. This went off. I don't know why this didn't go off.
Seas 6 to 8 feet with occasional.
Well, it did get it earlier, so I won't have to worry about it going off for 10-day century, apparently. Here's a R1630.
For the following marine.
That's an interesting glitch. This got it. You saw this go off. I had this one on tonight because it's again the last test of 2021. And I highly doubt that newer version 5 in the kitchen went off because it's having problems. Let's go see anyway. No, it didn't. See? Squeal of death. Alright, that concludes this test.